If you think growing a banana tree in a 5-gallon bucket was crazy, wait until you see what I'm about to show you. But just before I show you that, take a look at this banana tree right here. This is the sucker that I took from the one that I just showed you. It not just has one sucker inside, it now has two. So I'm going to take out this one. I'm going to let this one stay until it gets a little bigger like that one, and then I'll put it somewhere else as well. I notice that with the bananas, once you take out the sucker, they will push out another one. I held this sucker in the one that I showed you a while ago in the same container for months because I was told not to take it out because the banana will take longer to shoot. However, my observation is that once you take out one, another one is going to spring up. So me personally don't think that is the case. However, I may be wrong, but that's my observation. Alright, so let's get to what I really want to show you.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
This inside here, just take a look at this. Let me show you properly. Can you see what I am seeing? This is the original. Look at the ants. Ooh, look at there. This is the original banana sucker that I planted. Let me show you what it looks like. It looked like this. I moved both of them the same time. They were looking like this. I don't know if you remember. Both of them came from here. Anyways, this one right here, see it pushing out another sucker from the same sucker. See, one hole right there, one hole with this sucker. This was the initial one, and then I started seeing something pushing out to the side, and lo and behold, this is what I'm seeing. Now tell me if God is not good. I see the goodness of God in my garden every day, so I don't know why persons have a problem with me declaring my maker. And the marvelous things that he does. I didn't do this. It has to be the creator that created this. Don't know what is going to happen. This is not as firm. This part is firm, but this part is not as firm. So I don't know if this part is going to eventually fall off or what. I don't know. So we are going to watch this together. Alright guys, so I just wanted to bring it to your attention. Yay! I am just amazed on the things that I see happen in my garden. You know, this is my safe place, and it is so fulfilling to watch and to see how amazing nature is. I came out this morning and I realized that this banana split. It didn't split up until late evening yesterday. I can tell you that because I watered and it didn't split whatsoever. So it's sometime, I believe, in the wee hours maybe, or late night, whichever it is. But I'm not letting it go to waste. So Stacey, you're going to eat that? Yes, we are going to yum it. And rightly so. Yes, guys, I'm going to eat it. I have a mesh bag right here that I'm going to put over it. But I want you to bear me witness, because what I want to do really is to have it ripen on the banana tree before harvesting it, right? But you can see that this one, that split starts to ripen, and that one right there. But if any other split, I'm just going to harvest it before it is all ripen on the tree. So I'm going to put the bag on, and remember guys, remind me, Stacey, you said if another one split, you're going to harvest the entire banana. Alright, so this is what I'm going to do. Put on this mesh bag right here.
Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not yet done so. This allows the YouTube algorithms to push my videos more out there. A lot more people can join into growing their food, get some inspiration to grow what they eat and eat what they grow. Thank you so much in advance, and God bless you all.
I don't want anything to crawl in it or on it. So that is why I am adding the mesh bag.
Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,
Alrighty.
walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.